Welcome to my house.
Hi, I'm Ashley from SIXiDES. I'm the founder of a renovation platform. This is actually a HDB 4-room flat located at Buangkok. In fact, it's very near the only remaining kampong in Singapore. It's only about 5 years old. So like all these new BTOs, they've gone through a certain amount of renovation. So one of the family members approached me and said, hey, I want to renovate this space, can you look into it? The condition is very good, as much as possible try to make use of the existing features. So I came in and tried to understand the flooring is very new, some of the cabinetry were also new and in fairly good condition. And because I know the family member very well, it's something that I could kind of incorporate into the design, which is knowing their lifestyle, their habits, their patterns, all the family members and what they need. We know what we want to do. It wasn't all about aesthetics, there were a lot of functional pieces. And some of these things that usually are meant to serve a bit better would cost a little bit more. For example, the use of the furniture that we've gotten from Cellini. The dining table is not only in quartz top, but the legs, while it looks like wood, are actually made from metal. So they're more heavy duty and can take on more weight when more people are using the table. Flooring. This was in very good condition and it was something that the homeowner wanted to retain. So having said that, we have this very unifying wood grain that's been running throughout the whole house. So I thought we want to bring the wood grain into the rest of the spaces. As you all know, this is HDB flat, so there are a lot of compliance factors that are really established and we just need to adhere to them. One of the things is actually the bathroom. So remembering that we had a very tight time frame and the homeowner wanted a fresh look, so I chose to clad over the floor tiles, giving it a new look, because the previous version was this very drab beige color and it kind of looked a little bit old looking. So we want to bring in new sanitary items for hygiene reasons, and we are bringing all the black sanitary fittings. So I thought it would be good to kind of give it a new flooring. And lo and behold, once we start putting all these new flooring, right, it creates its own identity.